we need to measure the cereal into a paper plate. So first, we're going to measure the cereal with a 1/2 cup scoop and pour it into the paper plate. Then we have our cereal on the paper plate. Then we're going to take the string and we're going to unwind the string so that it's about 1 foot in length. Take our scissors and cut the string. Now hold on to the scissors because the string might unravel while you're adding the Cheerios. What we're going to do is we're going to take the string and we're going to make a knot at one end like that, and then we're going to make a second knot right on top of the first one like that, and then we're going to make a third knot right on top of that, like so. You have a string at the one end. Then you have room to put the Cheerios on. What you're going to do is you're going to push the Cheerios onto the string. And Cheerios are a natural food, and we did some research that it's okay for the birds to eat Cheerios. So we're just going to keep doing that. And we're going to add, we're up to 4 Cheerios. You can count them while you add them to your string. Well, what you're going to do when you're done with as many Cheerios as you want is you're going to tie another knot the other end and there's the knot. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of hard to see. So I'll make another knot on top of that one. And oops. And then we'll make a third one. Top of that. There we go. You see the knot? Then you take your Cheerios and your string and you make a loop so that it's like a necklace. Actually, it's a Cheerios necklace or a bracelet, and then you can hang it. And what you can do is you can hang them on the trees outside in your yard, and that's how you make a bird feeder Cheerio necklace. See you next time. Have a good day.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.